listen to that beast of an engine. Oh my gosh. Nothing on this though, nothing on this. We are back at Vet Lab, and it is the day that you have all been waiting for. We are finally getting rid of the, the wood trim that everybody seems to hate. We're here at Vet Lab, and we are gonna be working on the Mercedes. As you guys know, we redid the exterior of this car, and since we did that, the interior has been a little bit outdated. So we have been working on updating the interior, and I think the thing that's gonna bring it all together is this video right here, getting rid of that wood trim. It is a little bit ugly, I'm not gonna lie. However, it's in really great shape, so I'm like kind of sad to cover it up, but I mean, at least it's gonna conserve it, right? So far, we have done yellow seat belts, the head unit, and the steering wheel. And oh, we also did the vents. I completely forgot about that. But yes, today is all about this right here, the wood trim. So we're gonna be doing a little bit of everything today. Let's get her pulled into the shop so we can get to work. Because it's about to start raining. Because I live in Michigan, and Michigan sucks sometimes. That thing sounds so good, dude. I've never heard a muffler delete sound that good before. All right, let's go. Who let this car look this good? Like, I'm sorry, the rear end, it was so stressful trying to find the right bumper, the right diffuser, but it turned out looking absolutely beautiful. In case you're wondering what happened on my wrist, I'm just getting old. Nothing serious. I'm just like, literally both wrists. It's kind of embarrassing, but. So in case you're wondering what wrap we're gonna be using, I'll be right back. It is this right here. This is like 3D carbon fiber wrap that I got. I did a lot of research to try and like find which carbon fiber wrap looks the best. I concluded that Vivid wrap looks good. Like up close, you can see actual little weaves inside, so it looks like real carbon fiber. However, I need your guys' opinion. I don't know if I should wrap the wood trim in yellow to match the exterior or in carbon fiber. So let me know below. I'll wrap one side carbon fiber, one side yellow, and you guys let me know what you think looks the best. So this is the Vivid, and this is the real. So I mean, you can see it, it's pretty solid. I mean, even in person, it looks pretty good. So yeah, let's get to work. I do feel like this is really gonna bring everything together, so that's why I'm making this like its own video. I'm not trying to like milk out the series or anything. It's just, this is really gonna make a big difference in the interior, and it really isn't hard to do at all. I mean, we're literally just wrapping some panels. The hardest part is gonna be the center console, but you'll see, it's gonna be worth it, you guys. This might be like a 5-minute video, but I don't even care. Like, I'm just excited. You guys may have seen in the previous videos, we came to Vet Lab to install the center screen. That was actually such a pain. We had to disassemble the entire center console all the way to the back here. We had to disassemble the entire section, and Ed actually installed an amp right there behind the rear passenger seat because the fiber optic system was just such a pain to work with. So we bypassed the factory amp to get this to work. But nonetheless, Ed at Vet Lab, he literally just knows everything about cars, so he just hooked that up for me real quick. So that turned out good. This is from Carbon Clutch, and Christina worked with him to design it and surprise me. And then of course we custom fitted some vents to the SL, and these are actually off of like an A-Class or something. And then this one we did, that was the very first interior mod. So I mean, you guys can go and check out all of those videos once we're done here. After this, I do have, I believe, 1 or 2 more like videos for the interior, and then we're literally done. Then we're on to the E46, which funny enough, there's actually an E46 right here, except that one is a convertible, or I don't think it would be, it's a cabriolet, yeah, right? I think so, cabriolet, German, somebody let me know. But that's an M3, we have a 330 Ci, but don't worry, because ours is gonna be a lot cooler than an M3, I can promise you. That's a bold statement right there, that saying that my 330 Ci is gonna be cooler than an M3, but I'm not gonna let you guys know. Unlike Japanese cars where it's just a few simple clips, I actually had to remove the entire door card just to remove the wood trim. It wasn't that hard to do, but it was just tedious and over-engineered as most German cars are. But upon getting the door card off, I had to remove the lock mechanism, which was apparently very fragile. And once that was off, then the door card was completely removed, and I was able to basically unclip the wood trim from behind. From here, I moved on to the center console where I removed the shifter. I ended up putting it into neutral and putting on the e-brake so that I can have it in the right position. I unplugged all of the wire harnesses, and then I took the center console over to the desk where I unclipped and unscrewed all of the little buttons and mechanisms that connected to it. Here's everything laid out on the table, and then I got straight into wrapping. Here's the center console before I heat shrinked it, and this is it after. At this point, I basically cut from behind so I knew where and what to cut. And then I used a heat gun to tuck everything in and lay the edges down. Alright, you guys, little like treat for you, or option, I guess. But like I said, I need your guys' opinion. We wrapped this in carbon fiber and it turned out actually pretty good. Since the middle layer of this piece is made out of wood, the wrap actually isn't sticking very well, but the buttons and panels that are gonna go in here are gonna hold it down, so I'm not too concerned about that. We did also wrap this in carbon fiber. However, not only did we wrap one in carbon, we also wrapped one in yellow. And we're gonna go throw them on the car real quick. I need you guys to let me know in the comments what you guys think looks better so I know which one to go with. At this point, I reassembled all of the buttons and mechanisms onto the center console, and here it is reassembled. Now I just gotta throw it back into the car and bolt everything down. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the center console's done at least. The doors are far from done. It literally just brought the whole interior together just like I thought it was gonna. I'm just gonna show you guys. This is absolutely gorgeous. I am in love right now. I love this car like 10 times more now that the wood is gone. Wow, that carbon fiber, it looks good. It looks real, it looks good. It doesn't look tacky. I'm very happy with it, not gonna lie. This is the last piece right here, and we can compare the two sides. So I didn't think I was gonna like it, but low-key, it kind of looks good. Here, ladies and gentlemen, is the yellow, and there is of course the yellow accents all throughout the car interior. So the yellow, actually I kind of dig it. And then onto the other side, this is the carbon fiber. So you can see there, got some nice carbon fiber to match the center console. I don't know really which one I like more, but let me know what you guys think. I really don't know what else to say. The interior really has come together just from this video alone. I really didn't get as much done as I wanted to today. There's a lot of other stuff I want to get done in this video, like the door sills. I guess that's gonna have to wait till the next video. It's like 10 o'clock and I'm ready to clock out. I haven't had dinner yet. But yeah, again, let me know down below. I know the yellow pops a lot more, so you're more tempted to say that, but the carbon fiber look is just, it really does look solid, especially since the only other piece of carbon fiber is the center console. So let me know down below, you guys, and yeah. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.